Derelict and worn-out pipelines can be a serious issue for cities. Repairing them is time-consuming, costly, and causes inconvenience. We've addressed these problems and found the solution, our IMPREG-Liner. These glass fiber liners are made entirely from long-lasting, corrosion-resistant ECR glass and layers of heavy-duty components. A distinctive feature of the IMPREG-Liner is its patented yellow outer foil, which protects it from UV radiation and damage during transport. With a strong focus on flexibility, our product is designed to adapt to a variety of plans and projects. Due to its remarkable storage life, the IMPREG-Liner is best choice when planning the job site and the production workflow. The IMPREG-Liner's unique installation process is completed in just one day, without disturbing traffic flow. First, a plug is inserted into the pipe to prevent the flow of water. Next, cleaning and inspection of the sewer are essential to ensure smooth installation. Now the glide foil is placed in the damaged sewer using a winch. This reduces friction forces and prevents damage to the liner material. The liner is then inserted into the old pipe by means of a winch located above one of the manholes. Once the liner has been positioned using compressed air, the UV light source is placed in the liner and the liner ends are sealed with packers. Inside the liner, the working pressure is increased to curing point and the UV light source is pulled to the other end. After the curing process, the packers are removed. The inner foil, which ensures an absolutely even surface of the liner while protecting the surrounding soil and groundwater from chemical contamination, is then also removed. To avoid blocked sewer junctions, a milling robot is inserted to restore the sewer structure to its state prior to renovation. After this process, a camera is used to check that the IMPREG-Liner is performing optimally. All fabrication and installation processes are eco-friendly, energy-efficient, and at the same time cost-effective. We at IMPREG are manufacturers, suppliers, and specialists in UV liner technology, and develop our products to the highest quality and handling standards. Our global presence ensures excellent overall service for all of our customers. IMPREG-Liner, always one step ahead with advanced technology.